welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas, which seems so weird saying that, but welcome back to my channel and happy 1st of December. As promised, I'm back on the 1st of December. Basically the plan is to give you tons and tons of videos this month because I am doing so much this month. I am not even joking. Like, I am planning out my days like hour by hour right now because I'm so busy. So I'm really excited to involve you guys with my month of December, but also on top of that I do have to give you a warning because I am so busy that it's more of a challenge for me to upload all the time for you guys. It might not happen every day because you know, I've gone from not uploading to uploading tons, so I'm challenging myself to upload as much as I can this month, and that is basically hopefully gonna be every day. So if I can stick to that, I am going to be so proud of myself, but I'm going to give it a good old try, and I'm going to start off with this video right here, which is my favourite makeup look right now. It is super easy, super fast. I do it when I've literally come back from uni and we're going on a night out and I don't have time to wash my hair and I'm just like, oh my goodness, I have no time. This makeup look literally takes me 10 minutes to do, and the hair, I'm going to be showing you the hair also today. This makeup look is also an adaptation of the makeup I did on a recent Instagram post. I'll pop it here for you guys to see. I've just made it a little bit more Christmassy for you, and you guys really liked that makeup, so I thought I would show you it because it's my favourite makeup look right now. Give this video a thumbs up if you're excited for a bunch of my videos coming your way. Subscribe as well, and I'll stop rambling and get on into the video. So I'm going to start off with my hair because, as I probably mentioned at the start of this video, this is like my go-to makeup when I'm really kind of gross and I don't have time to wash my hair. So I'm going to do my hair first, purely because I want it out of my way because it is a little bit minging at the moment. So I'm just going to grab all my hair back, basically. All I'm going to do this hair look is basically do a French braid back, and if you don't know how to do French braids then you're probably gonna have to Google it because I am probably going to do the most awful description of a French braid, but that is essentially what I'm going to do. So I'm just going to start off with the front section here and just begin braiding. It does take me a little bit of time, but trust me, once you've done it, it makes your whole night so much more easier. Pull it all up into the top of my head, and then that is basically the whole hairstyle. It's so easy. Okay, and then I just kind of fiddle around with it, give it a little bit more volume. And then to make the sides super sleek, I just grab some of my hairspray. So this is the hair which I was going to show you. Moving on to my super fast, easy makeup, which I love. We're going to start by using some primer. This is the Lumi Magique primer. I'm going to pop this on just to prime us a little bit for foundation. And then for foundation, I'm going to be using my Bourjois Healthy Mix foundation, which is nearly done. It's literally got the tiniest amount left at the bottom. And I'm going to use my beauty blender to buff that into my skin and give us a nice even glow. Basically the whole point of this makeup is just to be super simple but glam at the same time, and just have really nice skin and not anything too heavy. For my foundation, I'm going to be using another drugstore product. This is the Lasting Collection Concealer. I swear this has lasted me ages and ages. I brought most of the stuff to Barcelona with me that I liked, but I knew was ready to kind of run out, so I had the plan of coming back with no makeup and then bringing more makeup with me. So I had like 2 full new sets every semester. But this concealer just seems to keep keep on giving. So that's my concealer, and then to set it with foundation, with powder, I'm just using my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. I mean, this isn't my favourite powder of all time, but I am basically just recreating the look on my Instagram. So this powder is the powder that I used. So I'm gonna stay truthful and use the same powder. Even though I can honestly say, like, this doesn't do much. I'm now just gonna go in with some bronzer. Excuse the person banging around downstairs, like, do they know I'm filming a video? So the bronzer I'm using is by NYC. This is drugstore. I don't know if you can get this in the UK actually. I'm sure you can buy it online in Superdrug, but I don't know if you can buy it like in store in Superdrug, or maybe just the Superdrug in Edinburgh is really small. And I've not looked in Barcelona. Honestly, since coming to Barcelona, I have not shopped like really at all. I've done online shopping because of Black Friday and stuff. There's a haul coming soon. I'm just waiting on the rest of my deliveries coming. But honestly, in terms of makeup shopping, I have been so busy with uni work that really when I go shopping, it's just to get food, and then I'm like, get me out of here. And also the makeup which I want, I'm just waiting until I get to the UK to buy it. I really, really want to try the Sophie Does Nails palette. She has done amazing things in the last year, and I just want to get my hands on the palette just to see, because I'm sure it's going to be amazing, but I just want to, I don't know, get my hands on something that she has personally created and put so much hard work into. So I'm really excited to go home and walk into Superdrug and see her product. I'm assuming it's still in shop. That's my bronzer. I do go quite heavy with bronzer when I'm doing a more simple makeup, just because I like doing glowiness, I don't know. Yeah. Then I'm gonna skip blusher. I've just got in the habit of skipping blusher nowadays. I just don't feel like it adds that much to my life. So I'm gonna go in with the Sleek Solstice palette and take the golden one there in the bottom. Can you see that? Pop that on my skin. I also really, really like this shade as well. I don't know why I use the golden one more. I'm actually just gonna use both today. But just the shade is a really pretty shade. I'm going to be using the only high-end product in this video purely because I don't have any other brow products with me in Barcelona, and I'm leaving so soon that I can't be bothered going to buy another drugstore product. I'm going to be using the Benefit Brow, so I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. Also, I cannot wait to summer. I'm sorry that I'm uploading this on the 1st of December, and we're all probably super excited for Christmas. Let me know down in the comments, are you a winter person or a summer person? Because right now I just cannot stop thinking about how excited I am for it to get warmer in Barcelona. I just feel like the weather in winter makes me feel rubbish, and I'm so glad Christmas exists because it's like much needed positivity in winter. I don't know. Sorry for being such a bum. So for eyes, the reason why this makeup look is so blooming fast is purely because the eyes are so minimal. So I'm just taking the Blank Canvas Master Series 1 palette. I'm taking the Core shade, which is just a nude shade. This is purely just so that any foundation doesn't crease up. Perfect. And then I'm just grabbing a blending brush. Yeah, like a transition shade brush, and taking the shade Strut, which is a really nice warm peachy transition shade, and I'm going to take that into my crease and also blend this down onto my eyelid as well to give my lid some colour. Yeah, like honestly, if you don't want to put anything on your eyes, that's totally cool. Now I am just going to pop some liner, some liquid liner on the top of my lashes. This is the Technique Skinny Liner. I love this liner purely because it has such a long nib on it, so you can do a really good line, like a really good wing with this liner, and it turns out so well. I don't know how much charge we have left, not gonna lie. I started on half a charge of battery and I was like, oh chills, this video is a super fast makeup look, but I always take 10 times longer when I'm filming it. Now I'm just going to grab some mascara. This is going to be the Lash Sensational Mascara from Maybelline. I think this is my favourite mascara from the drugstore. Okay, and then for lashes, I'm going to do my Ardell Demi Wispies. What else do I wear? Honestly, like, if anyone wants to hit me up with some lashes, then I will happily try some new lashes, but I just have my favourites. So I do class these as drugstore because you can buy them in Superdrug, and also if you buy a pack of 4 lashes, it costs you £9, which is an actual bargain. So that is what my eyelashes look on, literally, and now I've done this makeup look, I just want to go out, but really, reality, I have an exam tomorrow. But basically, in my Instagram, this is how I left it. Finished off like this, put some nude lipstick on, and then I just grabbed some of this highlighter, which is by Topshop, and I literally just popped it like on the center of my lips to make them look really glowy. Because it is the 1st of December though, I'm going to add some lipstick to make this makeup look just a little bit more Christmassy, because I want to feel a little bit more in the festive spirit. So I'm going to be using this lipstick here, which is from Rimmel Drugstore, don't you worry. It is the shade 810, one of a kind, and it's kind of like a plummy red colour. There we go. Personally, I think I did quite well for not having lip liner on. Just saying. So guys, this is the completed makeup look. My like go-to, super easy makeup, get ready with me, glam night out. I don't even know what I've called this. So it is the makeup look, which I'm basically currently loving at the moment, and the fact that it's so quick to do just makes your life so much easier. So I thank you guys all for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I am really excited to give this December daily upload kind of ordeal a try. Please leave a thumbs up if you did enjoy it and you're excited for Christmas and the rest of my videos that are gonna come, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye guys!